So with the toolchain on start, let's clone the demo project and set everything up to make sure that how it goes. So we need to have a demo project, and I created one on my GitHub page. So if you go to github.com and then search for my name, you will find that there are no repositories with that name because the default search is for repositories, but there is a user with that name, and that's me. So let's click on that, and here you see a overview over my GitHub page, and then let's go to repositories. And the one thing that we want to look at is a fully decked out demonstration project that I use for several classes that deals with design by contract. So let's go to the DBC demo. And so that is the page with a little bit of explanation on what's going on in there. And then here we see clone or download. So we can click on clone or download. And right now, although later on, of course, you will use SSH to clone from GitHub if you have configured it correctly. But for the time being, let's clone with HTTPS. So we can take the URL that is given here and copy it to the clipboard. And then we're done here, and now we can bring up SourceTree. So let's go to our applications and find SourceTree right here. And that's the start page for SourceTree. And we can now go to new here and say, okay, we want to clone from a URL, which happens right here. And then we have to give it the URL. So we paste in the URL we have from here, and then it actually goes to that URL, checks that it is a Git repository, and then gives it the local destination path in our home directory, which is perfectly fine. So we can keep it there, and then we can hit clone. And after this process is done, we have a complete copy of the remote repository, including all the changes that ever happened to it. And as you can see here, and so here's, for instance, one where I fixed the typo, and on the lower right, you can actually see the difference that I just removed a comma from one point there. And so you can browse through here and see the different stages of the development of the project. And so yeah, that's SourceTree, and it's very, very simple now to work with this and keep track of your project.